Yo guys, welcome back. In this video, don't mind this, and I'm gonna show you how to make tools. You know the thing, like the thing in like those games, like when you got four towers. Oh, when you got four towers, you have a sword and a rocket launcher. That's basically a tool. That's what I'm gonna show you, and we will be needing this thing. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to make a tool, and that's basically it. It's not that hard. Just go to workspace, just click on this thing, and insert a tool. You just made a tool, but we need to you literally, this is a tool, but like you can't really see it anywhere. So that's why we will make a part. It can even be like a cylinder, and we can just put it, you need to put it inside the tool. So this is your tool right now. You can literally just customize it. Click on scale, do it like this. Yeah, we are gonna make a shield, whatever. Right, so we are gonna make a shield. This is I think a pretty big shield, if you don't think so. Yeah, this is a pretty big shield. So let's just yeah, we just made a shield, and we can literally just customize it like how you would do it by a normal part, like color. Wait, select the part, color, green, not green, bro, gray. And we are gonna do limestone. What hell? It looks good. It looks good. So let's say you have major tool. Oh wait, 0.1. Yeah, let's say you have major tool. Your tool actually, one of the things in your tool actually needs to be named. Okay, why did I do that? One of the things in your tool needs to be named handle. Exactly like this, the H, capital H, and then handle. Handle. Yeah, that's literally one of the parts. Because if you don't do that, the tool won't know where you you will literally hold it. Like it needs someone needs to hold it, right? If you hold it, the game doesn't know where. So that's what you. Bro, I get an error. That's why one of the parts needs to be named handle. You can literally also insert a multiple parts, so not a script. You can also insert multiple parts, but that you need a weld constraint. You know, just where is it? A weld, so it actually glues together. Because if you don't do that, it won't work. Okay, we're gonna rename our tool to shield. I just need to stop yapping, that's the thing. And yeah, that's basically how a tool works. If you right now just click on play. Alright, so I actually didn't anchor this one, and these two I did. So yeah, no, we will be we will be needing that later. So I just got my tool, and yeah. Don't mind this. I know why this is happening. If a tool is like too big, right? I don't know. It glitches out. I actually don't know why. I also don't know. Like I don't know. Roblox just doesn't like really big tools for some reason. Let's just go again. We're gonna get a shield. Okay, it's still way too big. God damn it! This is not good for my tutorial. Okay, let's just make it a little. This is a small shield. Roblox, come on, bro. Literally. It is literally the smallest shield you have ever seen. Alright, so this is definitely not happening because of that. Let's just... I don't even think it's because of size, it's because of something else. Like, can collide is... No, it's not can collide. If it right now works, it's because of size, but... no, yeah, it was way too big. Alright, so basically, why is it holding so weird? You can literally just go to server side, select the character. The tool will be inside the character always. The tool that you're selecting is gonna be inside. The other tools are gonna go in the backpack of the player. I will just show you later, literally. Like if I right now I have two shields. So I select one. The other one is in the backpack. Like you can only hold one tool. You can only like have one tool in the player. And yeah. So why is the grip and it's holding so weird? You can literally just click on the tool and just go to grip. Yeah, the grip. And what was wrong? The thing that was wrong was the way it's holding it, the orientation. So we can literally set it to 90. Yeah, see? Or you can just set this one to 90. It will be weird, but like whatever. So it's 90. If you stop the game, so the grip orientation needs to be 90. If you stop the game, it won't be 90 anymore because you just change it inside of the game. You can just set it 90. So right now it's good. Oh, never mind. Just make it bigger. Oh, okay. Stop. Okay, good. Okay, let's just put it back. I just need to, bro. God. Okay, whatever. Yeah, you just made a shield. That's basically it. That was actually the whole purpose of this video. But because I'm a nerd, I can actually just show you a bit more. This shield, if you want the place to spawn with the shield immediately, you need to put it in starter pack. So right now, if you join, the player will spawn it with the shield immediately. Insert a script and a local script and a remote event. I am gonna show you. If we click this tool, it's gonna clone this one above it and like with a different color. You know, that's what I'm gonna do. Just go to the local script, type local player, bro. I'm gonna print later. Local player equals game dot players dot, oh no, yeah, dot players dot local player. This can only do on a local script where you do the local player. Local mouse equals player get mouse. We literally got, oh no, get mouse. We literally just got the mouse of the player. Mouse dot but, oh, not bro. Who's gonna nut here? Button one down, connect function. I'm gonna show you later, but don't cry. Just chill out, chill. Okay, so yeah, and bro, whatever. Local array script dot parent dot remote event. So what we basically did, we just got a player. You can only do this on the local script, the dot local player. We got the mouse of the player. You can do this on the server script if you have the player, and we got a remote event. I explained what it is, but it's actually it is like a normal event, like this one. If like, no, it isn't. Never mind. A remote event is like an event, but like it's gonna send signals to other scripts. So right now we are gonna we have this event, right? We have it here. Print. So yeah, print. Okay, so remote event. This thing. Fire server. So we right now just if the mouse, that button one down is the first button, is just so right. So you can also do button 2 down if you left click, but if you right click and it's down, like you can also release it, and that's button 1 up. We can literally just do that up. So right now if you click and hold it, it won't do anything. If you release it, 10 it will do, and 10 it will, everything inside here, all of this will run. So it will print clicked here, and it will go to the remote event, and it's gonna fire server. You can also do fire client, but you can't do that on a local script, because you can only give the event if you're on the local script. You're gonna give the event to a server script, but if you're on a server script, you can only give it to a local script. And yeah, that's basically how it works. So we are gonna give this to the server, but it can be any script in the whole game. It doesn't need to be this one. It can be wanted here, but this one. So we right now got also the remote event on the script, and right now we can actually do remote event dot on server event connect function player. So we right now got a player who actually touched the event, like a player, not the character, not actually like the thing inside the workspace, the player, which is, I can't show you, but like it's the thing inside here. We got a player who clicked his mouse if he had to hold it. So if the event fires, so if it gets to here, it goes to here. If that like actually sends a signal, we are gonna want to do local p3 equals game.workspace.part3. What this basically does, part 3 is like this thing in the workspace. These two things are anchored, so this one isn't, like this one isn't anchored, these two things are. What we want to do is actually part 3. So we are gonna clone this one, part3 dot color equals color3 dot new. So we're gonna give it a new color, and color 3 y3, because it's gonna get, it needs 3 numbers. So I'll just, I guess, do red. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do just, nah, this is cool. Nah, actually, nah, this. We're gonna do a mint color. So this is actually how it, why is it one? Well, never mind. So we just got the new color part 3. Oh yeah, I forgot, this is very important. Dot parent, I made a lot of mistakes with this. Actually, this cost me so much time. I know you won't even believe this, but whatever. This literally cost me days of thinking. Dot parent, I was every time wondering why didn't it work. I have like my own game, right? If you it's like a fighting game. If you damage players and you're dead, your hotbar will like just damage, you get coins. I needed to clone the GUI. GUI is basically the thing on your screen, the button. But it didn't work because I literally forgot to set a parent. Parent equals workspace. So the parent equals this. You don't forget it. It's gonna cost you so much time when you clone something in a parent. You forgot to set the parent because for some reason it doesn't have the same parent. You need to set it. Also, the part3 dot position equals factor 3 dot new. Why factor 3? Factor 3 basically means 3 numbers, but you cannot do color 3. Alright, what the hell, whatever. Oh yeah, it's my screen record. Oh, whatever, bro. I haven't even clicked on this, bro. Alright, so factor 3 dot new. Factor 3 basically means 3 things. You cannot do color because color only can go to 1 and it's like different, you know. In fact, you can literally also use it on like on anything. It just means 3 numbers, but like it means X, Y, and Z. Basically 3 numbers. No, it doesn't mean X, Y, and Z, bro. I'm literally stumbling on my words. Whatever, just type math.random 0,100 here, 100 math random. So basically the x-axis is gonna have a random number. Wait, this is in the math. But the x is gonna have a random number from 0 to 100. The y is gonna get 100, the position, and the z is also gonna do a random number from 0 to 100. It's super simple. I'm gonna show you. So I clicked, and why didn't it work? Wait, the signal, why? Wait 5 seconds, I'm getting a mental error. So I got a signal. It doesn't seem to be anything with here. This doesn't make sense. Let me just click print one. I'm not gonna skip this part. Like I'm just gonna show you how I debug the thing. Yeah, so it does run. Did I do something wrong or something? Like I cloned it. I set color the parent workspace position. Oh, maybe I just didn't see it because it's way too far. I don't know what. Oh yeah, no, it literally worked every time, but I was just stupid enough to not see it. Like it's given a random position, and I have it right now. My auto clicker. Blam. Look at this. It's raining tacos. It's raining blocks, my guy. So I'm just gonna remove this print one because it's kind of ugly. Goddamn. So yeah, we can also actually do a method random on the color, like math. Oh, okay, never mind. Math dot random 0,1. Bam. So the first part of the color, I don't know how this works. This is not. Oh wait, this is red, green, blue. The first red is gonna be from 0 to 1. So it's gonna get random. No, not a fully random, because that's what we need to do with all of them. But like, look, it's gonna get different things of red. But like, why it doesn't really? It isn't really visible, bro. Why is it just 2 colors? Are these even different from each other? This green doesn't seem different than from the other greens. Bro, what the hell was it? Oh, no, never mind. I know why. The method random can only like making jumps from 1. But yeah, So that's why actually you need to do 0. I don't know, 0.001. I don't even know if this will work. But my tutorial is way too long. That was it for this tutorial. How long is this? 15 minutes! I think, bro, I literally thought it was fast. Nah, bro. It can only like name jumps, get jumps from like 1, so you can't really just method randomize this. You need to make like a whole function for that. But like whatever. Thanks for watching this very long tutorial, which I thought it was simple. But anyway, bye.